Hi friends, how are you all? This is my first voiceover video. Today I am using a mini sketchbook for drawing. I am using TT Artist Oil Pastel 48 colors. It is very easy to draw. Using salmon pink and pink for the background. At last, using pale yellow for blending. Using black and brown for the entrance way to the lake. Adding flowers for detail. Using sky blue for the watercolor. Using white and silver color for the fishes. Royal blue for more detail. For grass and leaves, I am using dark green, black, grass green and yellow green. For more leaves, I am using blue. Adding colorful flowers for detail. Using black color pencil for the bricks. Finally, removing the tape. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more.